In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to an email thread in Outlook. Whether you're collaborating on a project, catching someone up on a conversation, or just adding a missing recipient, this process is straightforward once you know where to start. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log in to your Outlook account. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Outlook website, or launch the Outlook app if you're on a device with it installed. Once you're on the login page, enter your email and password to access your inbox. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your inbox and locate the email thread to which you want to add a new participant. You can scroll through your emails or use the search bar to find the specific conversation. Once identified, click on the email thread to open it and view the existing exchange. With the email thread open, your next step is to click the Reply All button. This option is usually located at the top of the email, among other reply functions. By choosing Reply All, you're ensuring that your response, along with any modifications such as adding a new recipient, will be visible to everyone currently in the thread. In the window that opens up, you'll see fields for your email. Look for the CC or carbon copy field, which is typically situated beneath the To field. Here, you can add the email address of the person you wish to include in the conversation. Simply type in their address, and they'll be added to the email list for this thread. It's important to keep the rest of the recipients informed of any changes. Therefore, it's a good idea to include a brief note in the email body. You can write something simple like, adding name to the loop, or adding name to the conversation. This way, everyone is aware that someone new has been included, and that they can engage if needed. Once you've added the email address and your brief note, you're ready to send the email. Click the Send button, often found at the top or bottom of the email window. This action adds your new contact to the ongoing conversation, providing them access to the entire thread from that point forward. Keep in mind that once the email is sent, the new participant will be able to see all the previous messages in the thread, ensuring they're up to date with the conversation's context and content. And that's it. You've successfully added someone to an email thread in Outlook. This simple yet effective method is great for staying connected and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and I'll see you in the next video.